I do want to show you this morning what's going on. We do have some changes in our weather pattern. Storm Tracker 9 live radar is being put to work for sure today, reporting over 300 lightning strikes down in southern Oregon and northern California overnight, along with some rainfall that is continuing to push up to the north. You can see the cloud cover pretty much covering all of western and central Oregon at this point, spreading all the way up into the central Willamette Valley. Now, most of the action is to the south of us. That's where most of the rain has fallen this morning, over across Klamath County in toward Medford, and now starting to push into southern Douglas County as well. Now, most of this rain that you see on the map this morning, it's not actually making it to the surface. It's moving into a very dry air, and it has a lot of room to fall from those higher clouds, and so it just evaporates before it gets here to the surface. But we do have that potential to see the first raindrops. It would be in over 40 days in the Eugene area that we would have seen any rainfall. Now, because of the lightning that is moving in with these storms, and we do expect frequent lightning strikes over the next 5 days, we are seeing red flag warnings in effect. That's the highest fire danger. That's in effect now for all of the areas that you see in red this morning. And if you look closely, some of these fire zones in central, north central, and eastern Oregon also outlined in red. That does include those of you in central Oregon, spreading from Redmond, Madras, all the way down through Lapine and Sun River. Critical fire danger about to happen for you. Fire weather watches are in effect. Lightning will start to move in later this afternoon to your area. Now, for the southern Willamette Valley, we have the lowest threat for thunder showers, but we do have that potential, and the potential is actually going to grow between tonight and Friday night. Right now, it's just cloudy. It's still warm, 56 degrees. Dew point all the way down to 49. The further away those temperature and the dew point numbers are, the drier the air is. So you can see it's pretty dry out there this morning, but our winds have shifted now from the south. That's a change. First time we've seen that this week. It's going to mean a couple things. First of all, it means change has happened to our weather, and we're starting to see some stormy weather moving in, but it also means we'll likely start to see some smoke pushing in here at the surface level to the southern Willamette Valley from all of those wildfires burning here in southern Oregon. Those of you near Roseburg reporting a trace of precipitation so far this morning. So you've seen a few raindrops, 62 degrees out at the airport. Your winds also from the southwest this morning, and seeing a full 10-mile visibility. And again, all the lightning has been down in the southern part of the state. Jet stream still well to the north of us, and we still have that ridge of high pressure overhead, so it's still going to be on the warm side. But this area of low pressure is bringing that moisture off from the Pacific and is going to continue to make its way through western Oregon again over the next 5-day stretch. This is going to be a long-term event. Let me show you the path of how I expect this to move through western Oregon. Because it doesn't have that jet stream to steer it through the atmosphere, it's just going to sort of meander here in western Oregon, very slowly moving through southern Oregon, eventually exiting out into the Pacific right near the Columbia, not until Sunday into Monday of this coming week. So again, that threat for thunder showers is going to stick with us. The coast, you have the lowest threat for thunder showers. You'll see the clouds though. Highs will be in the low 60s there, still mostly cloudy, low to mid 60s all the way through the early next week. The Umpqua Basin, mid 80s for you. Again, potential thunder showers again this afternoon, and we'll see that potential all the way through Saturday. High temperatures will continue to fall to the low 80s. The Cascades, looking at thunder showers today. We're looking at frequent lightning strikes with these storms. Could also see some gusty winds, even some small hail. Central Oregon, you'll start to see that threat for thunder showers this afternoon. The most severe or the largest storms won't actually fire up until Friday. And for the valley, mid 80s for us. We'll also see that threat for thunder showers today. That threat increases through Friday into Saturday, and those high temperatures continue to fall to the low 80s.